You know the routine. A summer sprinkler hits the window, the sun comes out, and it leaves behind a stubborn white crust. It looks like a normal hard water spot, but here in Central Oregon, that residue is actually microscopic layers of dissolved volcanic rock. Standard bathroom cleaners often fail to dissolve these marks, and aggressive scrubbing can leave the surface of the cane feeling hazy and rough. To protect our homes, we have to trace exactly where this water comes from, starting high above town. The Cascade Mountains act like a massive, highly porous sponge that captures millions of gallons of winter snowmelt. As that water seeps deep underground into the Deschutes aquifer, it moves through old lava flows. Along the way, it dissolves the basalt rock and absorbs high levels of liquid silica, the same minerals that make up volcanic glass. In the colder months, you don't really see this. Homes primarily receive soft water from mountain streams up on the surface, which haven't been soaking in those deep, rocky layers. But when summer arrives, massive spikes in neighborhood irrigation demand force cities to change their strategy. They pump that heavy, silica-loaded deep groundwater up to the surface and pipe it directly into the domestic supply. By July, every time your sprinklers kick on, they are spraying water that is saturated with the dissolved minerals found in volcanic rock. The real trouble starts with extreme temperature. Imagine a hot window baking in the summer sun, suddenly colliding with 40-degree water from underground. The sharp temperature clash makes the drop behave aggressively, attacking the warm surface. The water acts like a magnet, leaching calcium out of the glass and etching microscopic craters. Then the sun bakes it dry, forcing dissolved volcanic silica to lock securely into place. This creates a layer of volcanic silica that has chemically fused into the glass, resulting in a permanent, frosted texture. Because these mineral spots are incredibly tough, frustrated homeowners and bargain window cleaners often reach for harsh, acid-based chemicals to burn them away. The acid does eat the stain, but it also chemically burns away the window's natural minerals, leaving behind a highly porous, severely roughened surface. The window might look clear for a moment, but the acid has removed the factory smooth finish, leaving the surface microscopically pitted. This damage turns the window into microscopic Velcro, ensuring the next round of volcanic spots will bond faster and harder than ever before. Safely removing fused volcanic silica requires a mechanical process that physically resurfaces the window. To solve this, MasterPro developed a highly specialized, entirely non-acidic polishing process designed specifically to safely resurface the glass. Instead of melting the window, this compound physically cuts through the hardened layer of volcanic scale. It smooths out the microscopic craters while keeping the underlying healthy glass intact. True restoration breaks the cycle of recurring damage. It returns your window to a smooth, factory-like shine that naturally repels water. This proprietary polishing compound was originally formulated to combat intense volcanic water conditions found in Hawaii. This split-screen chart shows the water profiles of both environments. The basaltic rock and liquid silica levels in the Central Oregon Cascades are a nearly exact match to the Hawaiian Islands, which is why MasterPro adapted this specific formula for the high desert. Because the treatment uses absolutely zero acid, it is completely safe for your home's exterior siding, all your lush landscaping, and the broader environment. Protect your property's value by trusting local experts who understand the exact science of the water in our own backyard.